Hej chłopaki i dziewczyny, hey guys and girls. I'm so like sleep my dog, this cutie dog, Labrador. It's very lovely dog. Before have bad experience that first family is to have that dog. They have bad experience. Now that dog is happy and very love and very easy. Is chill outing, yeah. Very good. Very nice. You feel like sleep like that. My dog is so crazy. It's like human. No, this second dog.
Jest słonecznik pewno.
Oh, yeah, eating sunflower.
Sunflower seeds.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh.
Wylatuje ci. Popatrz, tutaj.
Puggy, come your face. Yes.
Szuka jeszcze, o.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you for everyone. And subscribe, comments, and share that video if you want. Like, thank you so much. See you next video.